welcome back to my channel. um as you all see in the title, I'll be doing my labor and birth experience vlog. More likely a story time. Yes, a story time. So I wanted to do this video for a while now, but I finally get the chance to. Yes, so I'll be giving you my experience and while I was giving birth. So yes, so let's get into it. Well, as everyone always say, everybody don't really have the same experience, and everybody don't really have the same feel the same pain and all that. Well, for me, I feel no pain because it's March, but it due 31st of March, and I feel no labor pain, no nothing. I wasn't feeling anything. So, but even if me not labor, not me not see no sign, me not feel no pain, me not do nothing. So, but due 31st, I will get me check up at 27th. That was on a Friday. I went to get my checkup, and when I went, the nurse tell me, say, you're in labor, you're in active labor, you're at 3 centimeter. I was like, what? 3 centimeter? No pain, no nothing. She said, you have to go down now. She said, can you leave, go down now, and make somebody bring your bag and so forth. So I said no, because I not feel no pain. So I say alright then. I call my boyfriend come for me, carry me home, get me stuff them, and me and my mother and him, and we went down to the hospital. So I go down there. So I go down there on the 27th. I reach about 1 o'clock. I reach at the hospital, and they sort me out. They put me on a machine that they check my contraction to see if me hear me in a contraction. And I tell you some big old contraction. So you know, my hear me some big old contraction when I go down there. So me say yes, like me go a baby, you know, quick and fast. So after they write up what they write up and then something there. They tell me something if you go change, put on my nightie, and they took me in the labor. Not in exactly labor room that you have birth. There is 2 rooms. One that you have birth in, and the one that you stay in before I have birth. Before I give birth, sorry. Before I give birth, there's one to stay in with other other lady that's who give birth. So I was in that room. I'm not telling you, I feel no pain, you know. They put in the what do you call this again? I don't remember what they call it. That's the thing that they drip going. Access. Yes, so they put in the access in my hand, and as soon as they put the access in my hand, they land on some pain for me, mama. Some drip. They land some pain. Then me did. I get a drip. Then the pain start lick me. I come with I feel no pain, so then put the pain for me. Pain lick me. It start take time. It start come every 10 minutes. Then it start come every 5 minutes. Then it start come every 3 minutes. So I say alright, probably like this year. When cause they check you up every 2 hours. Every 2 hours they call you, so if you carry a towel. Bring a towel with you, and then carry people check you up. So you know, whosoever give birth already, they know that the procedure there, when they might check you up, they might insert the finger in your private parts to feel how far down the baby is, how much centimeter you are at, and so forth, so forth, so forth. That was a part that I don't like. I don't like that part. My experience for that wasn't good. I don't like that. Because every minute they carry come and they call you and they, so down there some kind of feel sore, you know, have baby yet and all these things. So every 2 hours. So they check me, call me, go check me. They call me. I go and check me, they say me still there 3 centimeters. Same way, me still no move. Must do some walking up and down. So I say, alright, so I start walk up and down and all these things and all these things. So that said and done, I still no move. In the night, I feel little pain. I feel little pain. Just little pain, not much. Then they take me a 5 drip because they say I show no progress. I move from 3 centimeters. I still there 3 centimeters. I'm not moving. So they take me a 5 drip. So I start feel pain now. So I did it. At 27, 28. Whole day 28. Still there 3 centimeters. I move. I go back at 2 centimeters. So I did it. Same thing, the whole day run out. So the doctor told me, if we not show no progress by tomorrow, she's going to send me home. So that would be the 29th. So on the 29th, I was there. Still not feeling pain on 29, and they say, I tell them get one bag of drip and some injection and to see if it push it, but it's still never there work. And so the doctor told me that she would send me home on the 29th if I'm not in labor, if I'm not feeling no pain or not now. So eventually 29 minutes I feel no pain or not, and she eventually sent me home, and I was due on the 31st of March. So she sent me home, I come my yard. Still see no sign or nothing. So the 31st, no, 30. 39 night, I start see little slime, I start see little. So I say, yes, so like I hit this, like I really 31st, I got a baby. So I say, alright. 31st now, I don't really see nothing go on and this. So I say, alright then, if I don't feel like I no baby or nothing, I go down April 1st. April the 1st now pass me, I go down. So April the 1st come now, I don't really see nothing. So I take up my things and I go down. Because I not stay home. So I go down now. And they run so, because they have a machine, a contraction machine, is a few who no go down, never have baby yet. They have a machine where they string you up on and run a belly and put one, I think, around your navel, near to your navel. That I think our baby heart rate there, and one up in your stomach. So they strap you up so you can tell if your baby heart rate a drop, and one can tell if you have contraction. I think that's under the one underneath your belly button. That tell if you're in feel contraction. And the one up your side, I think I feel baby heart rate. So when we go down here and then put it on me and tell you say some big or long contractions because when we go down and tell the lady so I'm in labor. She said how many months I'm in labor. So I say I say slime. She said that I know nothing. She said slime don't mean nothing. So I say you tell me if me have to say slime or nothing must come back. She said that's nothing. So she put me on the machine because she said if me not sponge she will send back on my yard. And me me soon have baby, me did that 3 centimeters for a while, So she got send back at my yard. And a time for me have baby. So I'm go there, God good, God give me 2 long hour pain, 2 big hour pain. So she stay right then. She'll keep me for 24 hours. 24 hours. If 24 hours come on, me not show no progress. She will send back a me yard. Tell me now. So me did it. And then same process again like first. Write me up again, put on IV for me. Not IV, me talk about IV. Then put on the access on my hand, give me drip again. This time I get 2 dripping. One in the hand and one in the hand because through me now I'm hard in. So an injection on top of it. And the same process goes by when they call every 2 hours to check you. You go back this time, in the 3 centimeter again now. It is 2 centimeters gone back up. So gone back up. So I say no progressive, come like it worse than the first. Then I know I say I had this labor that she see and all this something. So I did it till not going to the same way. So the next day I think it was a Thursday. That's the 2nd of April. And I said, no ma'am, I have to go help you today. I can't go back or nothing no happen for you. Because I don't know how long, me feel in the room, everybody come in there, as they come in there, whoosh, baby band, everybody come in there, whoosh, baby band, me baby can't band, me feel 2 times, me come up back and go back down, and me still baby not band. So she said she helped me, so she called me over there, and 10 o'clock me go over there, pack up my bag and all these things, so she try help me out and all this. She put me, she give me pain, she give me this, she give me that, and in there, me I feel some pain in my man, guys. When they give me no man, me I feel some pain. Me I feel some pain. Me I tell you, them pain is not normal one bit. Not even want to think about it again because the pain them are nice. So me did until me get pain and she still check me and me leave from this measure 4 centimeter. 4 reach. 4. And she did put me on the bed now where I leave a bed. And the doctor come in, everything come in, they will check me, I still not move from this. So from whole morning, I didn't move and nothing happened for me, everything just stuck at 4 centimeter. So I did it. And the doctor said, alright then, I'm going to help you out, I'm going to bust your head water to see if you can push it, make it fast. Bust my head water, no water no did it, no water no did it, because my head water was leaking, and I went to the hospital. That was in March. I think it's the 18th of March. Me always see someone like water come down from my underwear and something. I'm go down there and say no nothing. So for this, if it came, me put in the bed. Thanks be to God, she alright. So the leak, it was leaking. So when I tried bust my head water, there wasn't any water there to burst. No water no there. Not one bit of water no there. Everything did already come up. Probably that's why I couldn't pass 4 centimeter because no water nobody there. The help pushing. So then they feel the head water. They feel the head water and I try burst the head water. Which it wasn't the head water, it was my baby's head. The baby head. No head water. And then they use some things to try burst the head water and now burst. And So sad to see that it was my baby's head. So me the day me I feel pain and me I feel pain, me I feel pain and me start cry. Me start cry and me I beg them to carry me go to theater because I cannot manage. I think I gave up. I cannot do it no more. I couldn't do it no more. I tell them say me fed up now, me dead, me feel like me got dead. Me give up, me give up, me give up, me can't do it no more, me can't do it no more because my sister me I feel pain. I'm not able to pee on my own. Me having tube. I'm not able to do it on my own. I have my belly strap up. You see, the baby heart rate a drop because I think her heart rate did a drop on night time. And me have drip here, so me have drip here, so I have drip here. And me I tell me I feel pain, me I feel pain, me I feel pain. I thought I was going to die. That was the last thing that me have options if I got dead. So I did them I beg them if I'm going to theater. Then say you can't go to theater. You have to try whatever they can first before they bring me go to theater. And I think that was like 5 o'clock when me asked them. Me asked them for when they can go to theater, but that was like 5 o'clock. And I did it till the doctor come back and check me, and the doctor say she's not showing any improvement. So I will call up a theater and tell him say me I carry her home and this and that. So at the time let me try one piece of stick come and me say, oh God, yes, I hope theater say yes and theater didn't have nobody up there and I hope everything Kappa said for me to go to theater. So me I say no man, I feel pain and pain lick me no man. I say no man, I full time for me a baby now. So I was there and I was there a holler because I rope on the bed because I feel pain and I tell them man. And then finally they said yes and they taught me out because I have to clean up differently. Because theater me I go now. And me having no ring or no nose ring or anything. I'm take out my things then whatever me having and clean up and put on my theater overall theater. Everybody's supposed to know that. You go and you put on we go theater. And I thought they give me an injection before I went. That injection they kinda put me to sleep, but it kinda make me feel like a drowsy. Because I know you can't tell which part I walk to go to theater. So eventually I went to theater and I have to do an emergency C-section, and that's not the one. And the one I do and I want to make it sleep, I did a spinal C-section. So they I get a couple injection in my spine. That wasn't nice. Cause I always feel that there's something there. I get about 5 injections on my spine. About that. And it never nice. I like that, but I'm not. I don't want to get any more. I don't want. Not even want to talk about it. So they inject me on my spine and then test me. Then I think she get a cold rug or something like that. I'm not sure. I don't really want to tell no lie. And she put it on my hand and she asked me to feel it and I said yes. Then she take it and she put it on my tummy down here. She asked me to feel it and I say yes. Then she go back again. She wait after little. Then she go do the same process and I never feel it. So then you're down bottom side me navel. I think bottom side my navel go down. Dead. It's a dead. But up top come up, everything go up. It's all alive and everything. So then take one green cloth and then tie it in front of me, and my hands were strapped down. And I think then they give me a drip. I remember about something to I remember for. And can't tell us say the doctor everybody they done this so because they tie something across my eyes. I can't see what they're doing, but I can know so you know me not feel them because don't so dead, don't so not feel me no more dead. So they don't then they start doing they do. I know say I do something down because I know but me not feel nothing until I feel one giant. Feel one giant. So I say I must be with them a jaw out now. I'm a jaw. I say I must be with them a jaw out. And then after that me hear them say your ball you're not even come out yet. That baby. Then me hear she cry. I was like, oh my god, she's finally here. My baby finally there. That feeling. I said, thank God she's finally here. And then she did me here, she cried and I said, thank God, thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus. And then carrier come and they show me her, so come lie down on the bed and show me her, and instead of bring her downstairs to clean her up, I'm look on her and say, pretty baby, baby one mommy. I talk to her and she look on me, bright eyes, and she just come out her eyes and bright and look on me, and then bring her downstairs and then clean her up, and I'm ready there. And then I sew me up back, set me up back to sew me up. And we did a one good while and we were born 7:49 in the evening. And them are clean me up back and something. I don't know what them are doing down there. But me feel and them are pushing. We did and the lady say, they soon finish with your home, them are pushing back my home. So me feel when them are push that in, feel that I felt that. I feel that. If you never judge the baby, I feel not pushing at me. I feel that. But I feel not more after. And then clean me up, sew me up and everything. And then carry me go to recovery room. And I did there recovery room. I feel like about 10 o'clock, 10:30. Then call down I don't I did then call the people in nurse and down there for me and water and so forth, and they come up for me. So I was there. I was in the recovery room from about 8 o'clock, 8, 9, 10. That's about 3 hours. Because I did kind of drowsy, so I saw hours go by fast. Because I make them well and go down to go see my baby, you know. And the hour went by and I did. Nothing really realized. So time goes so fast. And then eventually then come to me, go down at 10 something. And me go down. And I go and take my phone and text me mother and boyfriend, my sister them, because when I go to theater, I text them and say, I go to theater, that's I'm going to send mostly 3 messages, I send to my boyfriend, one to my sister, one to my 2 sisters. I send 2 messages, I think I'm 3 sisters, then I send message to. I 2 of them, and boyfriend. I couldn't just say, I'm going to theater, that's all I couldn't say. When we get back my phone, I say I want a miss call, I want a this, people. Boyfriend say my friend because you know hear from me and you know if we there theater, you know what happened. I call around to get my number, to get people did it, to contact them and say. So come back. Till about 11 o'clock, 11:30, then carry baby come with me. I try it one to sleep and then carry baby come and me taking picture, me send with everybody. And everybody start call and talk and they till they say must get rest, and I get my rest. And you know some couldn't get no rest because I was scared because a young baby and I don't know certain things. I mean, don't go sleep and she go stifle, and there's something there's somebody they up with her, feed her, give her breast, and so you know, so C-section they don't go send me home in the same time. So next day now, I did with her same way. I didn't nurse him, yeah, nurse even look about me in the man because I couldn't do anything for myself. I want nurse clean me up, tidy me up and then something. I couldn't hardly get up. So the next day we still at the hospital because the baby get BCG and she have fever. And I explained it to the pediatrician and they did a check and monitor baby fever and it still did higher, it is still a high, go up and down, and eventually I get released and we did a whip and the baby for the come view her. They will come to the night evening. They say they can't send her home, they're gonna leave her till tomorrow to review, which tomorrow was a Sunday. So if Sunday come now, the baby get released so she can go, and as they're about to check me, the pressure gone sky high. The pressure just left from 0 to 100 real quick. And I did it, and then come back and check me again. And then I say, what happened to me? Pressure just fly gone up, so. And I say, I don't know. And then go back again and come check again because they can't really believe, you understand? And then check it again and it go even higher. So I say, I can't send you home like this because you will drop the one day you can die. I have elevated pressure. And I tell them, man, I want to go on my yard, you know. I go and go on my yard, and I know what, and I can't bring it too long. So I didn't know why not even know they come for the baby. They say our temperature is too high and this and that. So they might keep her a nursery. I was crying. I cry. I cry. I cry. And so we can't come down and nursery with her. I'm go down there with her. I couldn't stay down there. I have to go in back. That was like the saddest ever. I call the mother and I call everybody and tell them what go on and sitting, and they want to me to cry and sitting. But I couldn't word. Every time I think about it, I start crying. Then push it up in her hand, I look at her hand, oh God. Take blood from her. They make me take blood from her. Oh God. I cry. I couldn't hold it. And then I did it. And next day they say they release me. They never release me because pressure is still up. Because elevated pressure me have everything gone up, gone down. They have me panic clinic down there. They send me, eventually send me on Monday. Baby day nursery till 7 days. And me not feel contented. They say, baby, me have baby. And I don't see them make me have to go down there every day. I have to go down there and I go sleep good at night time because I left them then take care of her as how I would. And so I just pray to God for 7-day fly pass and the 7-day fly, and get to go do an ultrasound on her more because her more a little bit large. So everything did alright, everything come out well because she was okay. And nothing by the door. One little fever, because they give her BCG in her hand and I give her a little fever. But they still keep her on observation to see if everything is okay. Which everything was okay. Everything so then run upon her came out good, everything went well. And she came out the hospital and yeah, my baby. But my pressure still did it. Pressure still licked me because my pressure just whoops. So we develop pressure after me give birth. Yeah, and I think I may develop one giant something membrane call it. So that come after you give birth. So not everybody have it. So yes guys, that was my experience, and it wasn't good for me. I didn't like it. It kind of feel like me no want no more. So do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe for more video, and press the notification bell down below, so every time I post one video, yes, you get a notification. And yeah, comment if you have a child before already, or 2 or 3. Comment your experience down below. If you don't have none, I can still comment. And please don't make me stop because I'm scared. Everybody don't go through the same thing. Everybody have different experience. Cause some people don't feel no pain, some people feel a little, some, yeah. So just please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.